10-line speech on Kamarajar. First line, Good morning everyone. Second line, My name is Akash. Third line, Today is 15th July. Fourth line, Today is Kamarajar Jayanti. Fifth line, Kamarajar was a great leader of India. Sixth line, he was born on 15th July 1903 in Tamil Nadu. Seventh line, he was a great freedom fighter. Eighth line, he was the CM of Tamil Nadu. Ninth line, he worked hard for children. Tenth line, he is our inspiration. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.